Well, plenty rain flooded my house and ruined all my clothes. You wouldn't think the weatherman could be so wrong. Didn't think the storm would last so long, so I sing this song. On the rooftop is a fish above my chimney. A little salmon swims uphill to meet its mate. In my window floats a dangling bait, in a broken state, heavyweight. Plenty rain is in my beers and in my fries, drowning out my fresh baked apple pies. I swim and hold my breath. And plenty rain got in my Prius and my Civic too. My glove compartment had my cell phone that was old. I need to buy some bleach to clean the mold. Won't be undersold. Plenty rain is in my beers and in my fries. A school of fish, some sad goodbyes. State Farm, please call me back. Submit my claim, my agent hopes to get my money back. That's why I pay insurance fees up the kazoo. Know that my home's a underwater view. He don't have a clue. So plenty rain has moved me from my home in Arkansas. No more Bill Clinton parties guzzling from a keg. Now in Houston where the people beg from a cook named Meg. Boiled eggs. Plenty rain has changed my life and ruined shoes. Now Payless will fund my ocean cruise. Half price and light loafers. Plenty rain is in my beers and in my fries. Hopefully I'll see the new sunrise.